Hi, I'm Hector Herrera, Controls Design Engineer here at Edgewater Automation, and I would love to talk to you about the benefits of using vision technology and factory automation. Automation is a great way to improve quality, productivity, while reducing labor. Adding machine vision is a great way to add intelligence. A robot with vision can be set up to perform a task an operator will normally do. This frees up the individual to do more value-added work. Integrated machine vision lets the robot decide which part to interact with and where the part is located. The robot can perform visual processing like pick and place, find parts based on color, shape, also check for dimensions, check for completeness, make sure parts are present. It can read 1D and 2D barcodes and many other functions. Robot inspects and identifies parts that do not meet specifications. In the case of Fennec, their robots are fully integrated with 2D and 3D vision solutions under the nameplate of IR Vision. All the vision algorithms run into the same CPU that is used to control the rest of the robots like motion and logic. The camera is connected directly into the CPU for a seamless integration. As a controls engineer, I've seen these benefits firsthand. We have a team of talented engineers and machine builders ready to bring solutions to your production challenges. We work across many sectors, from alternative energy, automotive, medical equipment, pharmaceutical, consumer goods, e-commerce, and many more. Nothing is beyond the scope of our ability to bring innovation to automation. Let's build together.